Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna. This is a 7-passenger minivan in silver driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes 3M on the front hood, fenders, bumper, and side mirrors. Other great features includes a backup camera, roof rails, and power sliding doors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Right up top, you have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You have some storage space along the bottom of the door that runs along the entire side. Now inside here, the Sienna comes equipped with light gray cloth seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons, and the Sienna does also come equipped with all-weather mats. We have our key here. We're going to start the Sienna up. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have this cluster here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. And in the odometer, you can see the Sienna has 10,406 kilometers on it. Lastly, on the steering wheel, you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, with your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel. Moving on to our entertainment display. Right now we are on the home screen where it will display any device that's connected along with any audio that's playing. Now through here you can get a nice little shortcut to connect your phone through Bluetooth. Going back to that menu here, you do have your projection icon for your smartphone projection. Going into reverse, of course, that brings up that backup camera for you. And down below that is the climate control settings. Now this is a drive zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well. And you have this dial here for the temperatures in the back there. Right underneath, you have this little piece that slides out. You have 2 cup holders extra from the pair you already have. Sliding that back in, we have some storage on the bottom. You have a nice little shelf. This is where you'll also find your 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary, and your driver and passenger heated seats. Now this Sienna does also have power sliding doors. So on the key fob, we're going to hold that second button to the left, and that door will open for us. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see we're continuing with the all-weather mats and the light gray cloth seating. And then behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. These rear seats also fold down. You can press that upwards, slide them forward, and that gives you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities, and third row seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.